Welcome to my class. Today's lesson is all about daily routines. We will also learn to use sequence words such as first, then, after that, and finally. Let's begin. What is a daily routine? A daily routine is something you do every day. Meet Sally. Today, we are going to look at Sally's morning routine and her evening routine. Let's get started. After waking up in the morning, Sally first brushes her teeth and washes her face. Then she changes her clothes and gets ready for school. After that, she eats breakfast. Then she puts her lunch in her backpack. Finally, she kisses her mom and dad goodbye and leaves for school. That is Sally's morning routine. What is your morning routine? What do you do first when you wake up? Go ahead. You can use words such as first, then, after that, finally. Go ahead, I'm listening. You can start with, first I brush my teeth. Then, what do you do next? After that, finally. That's a great morning routine. Let's look at what Sally does after she comes home from school. After Sally gets home from school, she first changes her clothes. Then she goes outside to play with her neighbors. After that, she helps her mom set the table for dinner. Then she has dinner with her family. After dinner, Sally does her homework. Finally, she goes to bed. That is Sally's evening routine. What is your evening routine? What do you do in the evenings? You can start with first I. Then go ahead, I'm listening. After that, and finally. That's great. That's a great evening routine. Well done. That will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed learning about Sally's daily routine. I will see you next time. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I know what a daily routine is. I can use sequence words such as first, then, after that, and finally. I can use simple sentences to share my daily routine.